The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston, West Virginia Police Department. Residents of the city of Charleston and surrounding areas, lock all of your doors immediately. Charleston police are currently looking for an extremely dangerous individual that was seen roaming around the city of Charleston, breaking into people's homes, and attacking and killing anyone that it comes across. The individual has not been identified at this time, and it is also unknown what its current intentions are. Due to this, all residents of Charleston and surrounding areas are strongly advised to remain indoors with all of your windows and doors locked. If this individual breaks into your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes lethal force. If you all of a sudden see this individual, do not approach him or her, as he or she is considered extremely dangerous and has been seen carrying a large knife. Also, call 911 if this individual is spotted near your location. Please stay tuned to this station for more information whenever it becomes available.
Civil danger for the city of Charleston, West Virginia and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston, West Virginia Police Department. The individual that has been on a killing spree across the city of Charleston over the last 30 minutes has been identified as Anna Williams. She is a 17-year-old white female, 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighs 145 pounds, with long blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink long-sleeved t-shirt, blue jeans, red high heels, and a golden crown on top of her head. This individual has been seen carrying a large knife and uses it to slit the throats of her victims. She can also kill her victims by stabbing them in the heart. It is still unknown what her intentions for killing are at this time, but police will investigate into this matter. This individual is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached, as she will attack and kill anyone on sight. As a precaution, all residents of Charleston are strongly advised to remain in your homes with all windows and doors locked. If this individual enters your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes lethal force. If you all of a sudden approach this individual, run away from her as fast as possible and call 911 immediately. Police have had attempts to take down this individual and have been unsuccessful, as several police officers were brutally murdered by this girl. Please stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston, West Virginia Police Department. Anna Williams, the girl that has caused several violent murders across the city of Charleston, has stated that she has a deadly chemical weapon in her possession, and she has threatened to detonate it if her demands are not met. SWAT teams have been called in to defuse this weapon. If this weapon is detonated, it could pose a great risk for residents of the city of Charleston and surrounding areas. Due to this, all residents of the city of Charleston and surrounding areas are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, you must do the following instructions: find an interior room or basement on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and make sure it has little to no doors or windows. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplace dampers. And seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Take an adequate set of supplies for your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Police Department. The weapon that Anna Williams had in her possession has detonated, and has released a toxic, bright pink smoke into the air. This smoke has been proven to be extremely toxic to humans, and those that have come into contact with it have shown the following symptoms: nausea, vomiting blood, high fever, extreme coughing, shortness of breath, a massive headache, loss of consciousness, and death via heart failure. Several fatalities have already been reported due to the smoke. Hospitals around the city of Charleston are quickly filling up with patients exposed to the smoke, and may be at full capacity soon. Anna Williams has left the city of Charleston, and her location is currently unknown at this time. All residents receiving this message are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Find an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplace dampers. And seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Grab an adequate set of supplies for your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to last you for the duration of this emergency. Do not go outside. If you do so, you will face certain death from the smoke, as the chemicals can kill a person in as little as 45 minutes after exposure. Please stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
An administrative message from the West Virginia State Police. Anna Williams, the girl that caused several brutal murders across the city of Charleston, has been caught by police and subsequently arrested in the city of Beckley, West Virginia. She has been charged with several counts of first-degree murder, and could face 25 years to life in prison. The smoke from the chemical weapon that was detonated in Charleston has disappeared, and all residents may exit their shelters at this time. In addition, police have revealed Anna's intentions for causing death and destruction all across Charleston. It was reported that her boyfriend, 18-year-old Jacob Matthews, broke up with her after he was cheating on another girl. This made Anna really upset and angry, and drove her to go on a killing spree across Charleston due to her having a broken heart, in attempt to find another boy to be in a relationship with. The West Virginia State Police thank you for cooperation during this emergency.